We all know how much the price of gas is going up, and that's expected to continue with the Russia-Ukraine crisis. But the country of Guyana in South America is poised to become one of the world's largest oil producers after Exxon discovered billions of barrels of oil. This oil boom has turned the country into a place where investors from all over the world are hoping to make a profit. And it may be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, especially for minority investors. Last week, I traveled to Guyana and spoke with the country's vice president and other high-level officials about foreign investments.
Guyana is the only English-speaking country in South America and aligns itself with the Caribbean. People from around the world came to find out more about investment opportunities at the International Energy Conference and Expo. There is major international excitement due to the country's newfound oil well. Vice President Dr. BHARRAT JAGDEO says with a small population of just under 800,000, they welcome foreign investors, entrepreneurs, and skilled laborers. Vice President JAGDEO took time out to walk through the expo, meeting and greeting with the people who have set up booths here.
We're open for business, but and you would find a very receptive government here, supportive government, but one that has some principles. We have to do things sustainably in Guyana, and our people must share the prosperity.
Dr. Peter RAMSAROOP is the Chief Investment Officer and CEO of Go Invest, the Guyana Office for Investment, which helps facilitate foreign investment.
I mean, a foreign investor can repatriate their profits. You know, they could own land in Guyana, or local content legislation that has recently passed is really pushing folks to work more with our local entities. But we're wide open. If you look at this conference alone, the interest from the outside world is significant. And it's because of our investment code, investment climate. We welcome all. And all we ask is that you work with a local partner and try to get that development, and we're looking for transfer of knowledge. We don't have all of the skills we need in many of the industries. So the more that you can come in and bring that knowledge, the more we want to work with you.
Like America, Guyana also deals with the issue of race. The majority of the population is of Indian and African descendants. Officials say they take diversity and inclusion seriously.
Although we receive a lot of our support from Indo-Guyanese and Amerindians, our policies have always been for all the people of the country, if you examine the periods we've been in office. And if you examine closely the progress made in those periods, you would see that all of Guyana moved forward in terms of economic accumulation of wealth at the family level, the household level, and in terms of rights and civil liberties. And so that is not alien to us. And so too would be the development of this sector. We made it clear that there should be diversity in hiring. We want a broad-based growth of the private opportunities and private sector here, regardless of race or religion.
If you would like more information on investment opportunities in Guyana, head to their website, goinvest.gov.gy.